page layout. If you want to change the setting of the current page, change the current margins, you can wide, normal, custom margin, size. You can change size of that as well. Normally you do when you want to print some data in different style. And background, print tiles, the width, height, scale, grid lines. If you untick this option, it won't show the grid lines. If you check this option, it will show the grid lines. Heading, the bring forwards and send backward selection pan, align. These are alignment options here. Again, just select the data and then you do. Then formulas is the different auto sum formula, recently used formula, different. This is a library of the formula. You can use a different formula. And these are again when you calculate the different complex calculation in Microsoft Excel. You use these functions: trace precedence, show formula, watch window, calculate options,